back to my channel. My name is Essay, and this video is gonna be a day in my life, and this is my first video showing a day in my life, like my first vlog showing a day in my life. Usually my days are pretty chill, but today I got some stuff going on, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me. Shouldn't I be drinking water first when I wake up? But I kind of feel sick, so I'm drinking this. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so I have a lot of mess. I came back home pretty late last night, and I couldn't clean up after I got done. After I was done getting ready, so I'm just gonna clean that mess up, and yeah, I'll go from there. That's the mess I'm talking about. I mean, it's not gonna take me too long to clean it. I don't usually wash my face in the shower because I just feel like by the time I'm done like moisturizing my skin, my body, my face is gonna be all dry. So I prefer to like wash my face after taking a shower and after moisturizing my skin. But I like this cleanser. It's really mild. It's Rovectin. It's from Rovectin, that's the brand. But it's really nice and it's mild because I use a retinol at night, and I don't want to use anything that's too harsh on my face. So this one's really mild and there's no actives. It's just like basically using water to wash your face, but it just cleans better than water. But I'll go with this and then I'll do my skincare. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, I wash my face after taking a shower, outside the shower. So I just go ahead and let my face air dry. I don't like using stuff to dry my face. I don't know why, because I used to suffer from like severe acne, and I just feel like if something touches my face, I'm gonna break out. So I just let it air dry, and then I go ahead with my skincare routine. But yeah, skincare is like my favorite part of the day when I'm not tired. But when I'm tired, I just don't want to do. I just do something simple. But I love skincare a lot. It's helped my face so much. try it. I cleaned my brows because I had brow gel on before. So I'm just gonna see if it holds those brows down. Ooh, it's actually holding. Brow gel be like that. Ooh, I actually like it. It's holding pretty well. Look at that. I think this is like by far the best brow gel I've ever used. Like, it holds so good. This is definitely a 10 over 10. Look at that hold. I actually need to go to Kroger because I need to buy some stuff, but I don't have my car right now. So when I get my car, I'll go over and buy some stuff. But I also have to go somewhere later. It's like a concert, kind of. I don't know. My friend invited me, but it's a concert. I'm going there with my sisters. I have to make the gizzard before I go. And I don't have my car, so I can't even go. I don't even know. I'm probably going to go late to the concert, but yeah, because I have to do it. I already promised I was going to do it, and the promise is a debt. We all know that. So I got to fulfill that promise, and yeah, and I don't even know what I'm wearing. That's the worst part. I don't know. So probably wear some pants for sure. And then I'll just find a cute top and wear it with that. But yeah. Right now I'm just gonna watch TV because I'm bored. And I don't have all the ingredients to cook like whatever with the gizzard, to make the gizzard. So I'm just gonna watch TV. When my dad gets back, I'll go buy some stuff. Alright, so I'm on my way to the event and I'm like 2 hours late. So I'm just gonna go because I already paid for it. But I don't know, they're almost, because it's gonna be done at 10 and this is like 9, almost 9. So yeah, I'm just gonna go because I already paid. Yeah. Alright, so I'm back home. My goodness, after all of that, everything, after all that working, because I finally made the gizzard stuff I was talking about, and I just got back from the I don't even know what to call it. I guess it's like just some artists performing their songs, but I'm tired, like I'm knocked out. So I'm just gonna do my skincare. It's gonna be it's something simple, not doing too much tonight. But anyways, I gotta wake up early again for tomorrow because I have to go to church. So